how to fix Shopify product description not showing. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Shopify product descriptions not showing. First, open the Play Store and search for Shopify. Now check if your app is up to date. If not, tap Update to install the latest version. Next, go to your mobile settings and tap on Connections. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If necessary, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on after a few seconds. Now turn on airplane mode for a moment. Then turn it off and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. After that, go back to the settings and tap on Apps. Scroll down to find Shopify, then tap on it. Now tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. Next, tap on Clear Data to remove any residual data. Go back to Settings and tap on Software Update. Ensure your device is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Finally, restart your device and check if Shopify Analytics is now working properly.